Hello and welcome to my channel My Money Streets. Very warm welcome to everyone. As you are already aware that I talk about financial literacy, financial education, about various financial products like mutual fund, insurance, fixed deposit, debt instruments. I also talk about second income, passive income. Today I am here to talk to you about this very popular multi-marketing scheme which is going on these days named Crowd1. Should we really apply for such schemes? Let us have a quick look at the app and let us discuss should we apply for this scheme or not. This particular app, Crowd1, was brought to my notice by the editor of tomattaka.com, Mr. Kumar Shankar Roy. Before I begin the video on that particular app, I would like to talk about something about financial frauds. Why these financial frauds happen? So we all want to earn a lot of money, get quickly rich, earn a lot of money, sit on a pile of money. These Ponzi schemes are, always there in the market. We all come to know about it, read the newspaper. After a few years, we forget it and we all fall for it again. So how do we judge the financial product somebody is selling is genuine or not? A genuine financial income source, some scheme which is helping you to generate an income source, a job, especially work from home, part-time job opportunities. If somebody is asking for an upfront payment, just run away. Those schemes are 99% for sure. Those are the Ponzi schemes or financial frauds. Don't agree to those schemes. Don't agree to the schemes which tells you that they will multiply your money in a month's time. 10,000 you become 20,000, 20,000 become 40,000. You get some agents below you and you get their commissions. Those kind of frauds, please stay away. Nobody can give you such kind of money. The moment somebody is promising more than bank fixed deposit returns, question yourself. Do you really trust that person? Do you really trust that product? Also, don't entertain any financial products which is not from a good financial institution, good bank, good insurance company, good mutual fund. If these three things are not there, please stay away. Ideally, you should make more queries and complain to authorities. But if you are unable to do it, just shut your ears and stay away from schemes. This scheme, Crowd1, is also one of such schemes. I will tell you about it in the next slide. Stay away, stay with me. Finally, we are talking about this app called Crowd1. Crowd1 is a mobile app you will get in Google App Store. I heard about this app from tomattaka.com as a news story I was reading in their website, and I was astonished to see that this particular app has already created havoc in Namibia, Paraguay, Philippines, Vietnam, New Zealand, and now it has hit India also very much. The beauty of this app is it attracts the new age marketeers like YouTubers and websites, bloggers and everything. The design of this app is such, it looks like a digital marketing tool or an affiliate marketing tool. So from tomattaka.com, I got to know that it is working like any other pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme. They also claim that this is an educational business. The moment one person pays up the membership fee, that person is forced to make 3 or 4 members under them. They claim it to be easy home-based earning option. Now we need to understand, for any home-based jobs, you really need to work. If somebody is telling you to just make members and you will be able to get 30%, 40% return on every membership, you don't have to sell anything, please be aware, this is a scam. This is a pure scam. Crowd1 mobile app lot of people have complained against it. Many people are in jail because of that. This has probably not come to the eyes of the regulatory authorities like SEBI or RBI or the fraud control departments of India, but this is high time. Sometime soon they will get caught and all your money will be lost. All your money will be lost. So this Crowd1 mobile app is a very gorgeous app. You have to sign it up with your email ID. They will give you a password. You have to create a password and they will come up with 4 options of membership, which goes from 99 euro to 2499 euro, almost 2500 euros. So basically it has 4 options: white, black, gold and platinum. So to give you a good video review, I just went to this app, I registered myself and I just came to know the kind of offers they have: white, black, gold and platinum. These are not less than 10,000 rupees membership fee, and you don't have to work anything. It is a very easy to use app, easy to pay, easy to earn. So please stay away from such kind of apps. There are work from home apps available like Truelancer, Freelancer, Fiverr, Appen. They really don't pay too well. They are bidding for the job applications. There are multiple people who are working on bidding for one project. Second, you will get a lot of reviews over those portals, what kind of work they get and what kind of experience people have. So look for those kind of options. Don't go for making quick money, because quick money doesn't come. It will just empty your pocket. So stay away from such scams. Take a informed decision. Become financially literate. Whenever you are offered some financial product, don't give in to even your closest relatives. Do your own basic check first about the product, about the company, about the reviews. Then only you consider for some financial products. And I have got this information from a Bengali website, tomartaka.com. I am keeping the website link for your reference. You can go and check the various country related news also. If you like my video, please come back again for more financial literacy related videos. According to the news report of Tomar Taka, Crowd1 members are promised 5 kind of bonuses: streamline bonus, binary pairing bonus, fear of loss bonus, matching bonus, and games and gambling application download bonus. Apart from this, the new member investors are also motivated and encouraged to get new people on board to get more bonus on them, and all this bonus are promised to be given to them in digital currency. Again, a digital currency is not yet applicable in India, so we all should stay away from such schemes. Financial literacy helps us staying away from financial frauds, create wealth and manage our money more efficiently. Please come back to our channel soon for more financial literacy videos. If you find this video useful, share it with your friends and family. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also push the bell button to get an instant notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye.